Now you can watch the Roku channel without a Roku box. Roku affords its personal streaming channel, which incorporates all kinds of free TV, films, and sports activities, and premium content material for subscribers. Open the Roku channel in any internet browser. This provides you entry to a broad collection of TV applications and flicks. Open the Roku channel's live TV page in any internet browser. This web page is devoted to Roku's lineup of Dwell TV, which incorporates information, sports activities, and different programming. Roku separates the unusual streaming programming from the Dwell TV programming on the net, so you may wish to bookmark each pages so you possibly can browse them later. If a window pops up asking you to enroll, click on I am going to do it later and it will not ask you once more. How one can watch the Roku channel with the cellular apps. Roku helps Android and iOS. All of the content material is mixed within the cell apps, although, you possibly can swap amongst unusual free content material, premium subscription providers, and Dwell TV. Obtain for. Open the Roku Cell app. Use the tabs on the backside to navigate between free, premium, and Dwell TV programming. What's included on the Roku channel? You possibly can stream the Roku channel from any Roku machine or Roku Smart TV, in fact, along with watching it from an online browser or cell machine. Roku affords a surprisingly giant library of content material on the Roku channel, and most of it's free, whether or not you've got a Roku machine or not. The channel consists of free TV applications and a rotating collection of free feature-length films. There's additionally a restricted collection of Dwell TV and Dwell Sports activities. These reveals are streamed as they're broadcast, and you do not have the flexibility to manage playback or restart these from the start. Sadly, Roku would not embrace a complete class information, so that you're restricted to scanning the classes listed on the website Residence web page or the app's Residence web page. There are over 40 classes in all, together with Journey, Fantasy, Household Nighttime, Mysteries, Drama, Comedy, and Extra. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.